if you want to have a part of yourself left as a legacy for life's projection that way, because you're going to learn. You're going to learn from your craftsmen, you're going to learn from customers, you're going to learn that it's not all personal. It's a professional deal, but personality goes into it, and you actually build a relationship. The gentleman that sold me this business, I'll never forget the words. He said, act like, take this on as the father, and father these guys and help them be better at their chosen profession now, and explain to customers that this is what they're getting. It's quality people that have chosen to work in line with us in a franchise system that's one of the nation's largest. And they, not only is the corporation behind you and establishing that deal, that people can draw on knowing that this company is integrity-based. And that's what you got. You get in, you join this, and your integrity and your legacy is left in, just like some guys used to write their name on a board and put it in behind the cabinet. I like to think that we do that with every job that we do.